using this, then put here to make it to open it.
Yes.
Yeah, to open it. Then go there, bending here, bending. After bending, then again, from there. And again, see lines.
Yes. Oh, it's more. Yes. Everything is mechanical and with machines.
Yeah.
Machine operated.
Here, fit in this anti-proof paper.
Yeah.
The anti-proof paper.
这家里没有啊？现在来，快来，叫他来开下机给他看嘛。
肯定要。
快点来，你开下机给他看一下。快点。等他开下机了，再来。
Guys, dito po yung paggawaan ng motor ng mga pellet machines. So, sa ibang company, mano-mano ginagawa. Dito po, mga makina nang gumagawa.
They're testing.
Yeah.
Testing.
So,
Yeah. You're testing this machine. Testing it. Put it inside to check that it's working good.
yeah.
Everyone checks by machine, not by manual. To make motor quality better.
Yes. So, ito po yung proseso o ginagawa nila. So, everything is machine operated ang paggawa na ng mga pellet machine motors natin. So, siya, the quality is very good.
Yeah, we just call the worker, let the worker come to working. So all of the step.
Yeah. So ito po ang testing machine natin. Dito tinetest ang mga motors bago ilabas. Dito, ready for packaging. Ganun po. So, makakasiguro kayo na magandang quality ng mga motor kasi unlike before na mano-mano ginagawa, ngayon po ay lahat di makina na. So, uniform ang quality. Yan. So, mamaya magte-test tayo. Sige, abang-abang lang. Paki-check na lang ang next video. Maraming salamat.